Hi people, I'm Fundo from South Africa and a proud student of the Forex Beginners Academy. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Sad Ali for making the best Forex trading available at no cost. When I started the course, I knew little about Forex. I only saw people gambling using a complicated graph. This training has helped me understand Forex and learn skills required to be a trader, but not just any trader, a good trader. Uh, Mr. Sad Ali has introduced me to trend lines, Fibonacci, market structure, basically all the trading instruments and how to use them. The private group has helped me develop this knowledge at the faster pace because I would submit my chart markups and get the response on what I'm doing great and what I should improve. I was also introduced to TradingView, which is the best platform for chart analysis because it contains all the tools to help with the chart analysis. I'm currently on my demo account and making profits by equipping the skills I got from this course. I definitely recommend Forex Beginners Academy to anyone who's interested in Forex trading. And once again, I would like to thank Mr. Sad Ali. Peace out.